This is a test. It's an effect stacking test. And I just figured I'd make a video and actually say what effects I'm stacking so that I remember. Okay, so first, TikTok's color negative thing, because I want to give the world a seizure. And maybe if their brain shakes enough, like they'll wake up and become more intelligent. Second, Instagram's crystal effect, which very nicely changes the colors to like a pastel look, and then also gives it sort of like the, duplicates fast crystal faceted type thing. And then we're going to add Trippy. Yeah, we're going to add Trippy because we want to see what kind of extra craziness we get. And then maybe one more. I'm not sure if it'd be. We'll make the last one a surprise. Whatever this is, it's your surprise. Look in the description to find out what effect it is. Hopefully it's a good one. Just kidding. I'm not going to write it in the comments because I'm lazy. Instead, here I am. The last effect is Instagram's Starry Night filter. And now, this video clip is all of the effects minus Trippy so that I can see if the color is pretty similar.